Hey everybody, today we're going to be opening the Diablo 4 Collector's Edition. This is the special release for the new Diablo 4 game that just launched a few days ago. Just received this. I'll be opening it up and showing you everything that comes inside the box and trying to show you how well packaged it is. It is well packaged, it looks like. Let's jump right into it. All right, here we go. Let's get right into it. I already cut the tape open so we can jump right in. So this box came inside of another box and was wrapped entirely in styrofoam. There's the other box here. So there was a nice cushion all the way around the box that was actually the one everyone was touching on the way here, which worked out really nice. All right, let's go ahead and lift this out of here. It is approximately 20 pounds in weight. Pretty hefty. Okay, go ahead and get these out of the way here. I'll set this right there. All right, let's see what we've got. Oh, wow. Well, this is all cardboard, but really nice quality, really well put together. And on top we have one of the prints that comes in the kit. That's pretty awesome, honestly. Let's set that off to the side. Next we have a couple more prints. Oh wow. Very cool. We'll be getting those on the wall here soon. Next we have, oh interesting, some petals. This is a kind of a callback to in the game. For those of you who have had a chance to play, you know exactly what I'm talking about there. For those that haven't had a chance to play yet, no spoilers. Alright, what do we have here? Alright, this comes right on out. Nice little strap to keep it, lift it right out of there with. Okay. In here, we got just a little bit of tape here. So this must be the candle. Let's take a look before we get into the instructions. Oh wow, that looks really cool. It's a little lighter than I was expecting. Honestly, was thinking this might be the heaviest item in the entire thing. But you can see you've got Lilith. Very cool. We'll go ahead and throw the battery in there in just a moment. We'll show you how it works, what it looks like. We will do that in a little bit. It does need a screwdriver to remove the bottom there and turn on. So for now, we will set this off to the side. Very well packaged though. No way this could be damaged. The base of the candle, super heavy. Feels really nice, very high quality. You can see the detail. And hard to imagine many people will be disappointed in this compared to what you could see online. It looked pretty awesome online to me, and I would say it lived up to the expectations for sure. Okay. Go ahead and set that back in there. And then on the other side, we have the Art of Diablo book. And this is hefty. This is gigantic. And I'm not going to go through every single page, but get an idea of the type of artwork that you're going to see inside of the book. Very cool. To the side. Next, we have just this up there. We have a pin on a piece of cardboard, really solid piece of cardboard actually. And then finally below that we have our map, and this is on canvas. Interesting. Pretty cool. I would say maybe a little lower quality than you might expect for a canvas map. It feels thick. It feels like for minimal additional cost they could have put this on something a little bit nicer, a little less I don't know, manufactured. You can see the edges here are supposed to be kind of worn and burned, but instead they just have a real clean cut to them. Not super impressed with this. It's cool. It would have been much cooler if they had put it on an appropriate piece of material. And then the final item should be the mouse pad. It is. Black mouse pad, says Diablo 4. So there you have it. All right, so that wraps up the unboxing. Just real quick, going to give a quick recap of everything that came in it. You get two artist prints. They are on a hard-backed frame. They aren't actually framed, so if you want to hang them on the wall, you could, just as they come. Give you a quick idea of what those look like again here. Really nice, very durable. Well done, those are excellent. You get the Art of Diablo book. You get my favorite item in the whole set is the candle, and you get a mouse pad. You get the canvas, and you get a pin. That wraps it up. Thanks for checking it out.